Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. Children, today we are going to learn our Social Studies 7th chapter, Housing. From this chapter, you will learn about need for a house, types of houses, and a good house. First of all, see children, children walk to school, but they always run back home. As we are also going to the school, and after over the school, we are coming back to the home. And when we are going to the school and coming back to the home, everybody wants to come back home because they feel safe at home, and that is why they love our home. Means you also love your home. A house is one of our basic need. All are living in our houses, and now we are going to see need for a house. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thunder, wind. It also protects us from animals and insects. We can keep our valuable things locked in our houses. The house protects us from thieves and robbers. Above all, we live together in a house. A beautiful house. Everyone's house is a beautiful, though it is small or big. Because our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thunder also. And also it protects us from animals, wild animals and any kind of animal, because our house protects us, and insects also like the mosquitoes, cockroaches, so these animals and insects never touches us because of our house. These types of insects also cannot be harmed because we are living in our houses. We can keep our valuable things like the money, jewelry, valuable things locked in our houses. आपको भी अगर पता होगा कि आपका जो कबर्ड होता है उसमें वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स होते हैं, हमारे मनी होता है, पापा जो हमारे लिए पैसे लाते हैं, दैट मनी वी कीप्स लॉक्ड इन आवर हाउसेस. द हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम थीव्स एंड रॉबर्स. अगर हमारा घर अच्छा है, लॉक्ड है, तो थीव्स भी यानी चोर और लुटेरे भी हमारे घर में नहीं आएंगे. अबव ऑल, वी लिव टुगेदर इन अ हाउस हैप्पीली. वी लव टू लिव टुगेदर. Now we are going to see children about the types of houses. There are basically two types of houses. They are kacha house and pakka houses. Kacha houses are temporary houses. They are made mud, straw and bamboo. They have thatched roof. They are not strong. The walls and roofs of these houses get damaged very easily. The huts we usually see in the villages are kacha houses. Kacha houses like this. As I told you children, there are basically two types of houses, kacha house and the pakka house. This is the pakka house. Like this, kacha houses and pakka houses. Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw and bamboo like this. स्ट्रॉ यानी घास जो होती है सूखी हुई वो. कच्चा हाउसेस आर टेम्पररी हाउसेस. इट इज़ नॉट परमानेंट हाउस. कुछ दिन ही हम उसमें रह सकते हैं. एज इट इज़ गिवन हियर, कच्चा हाउसेस आर मेड ऑफ मड, स्ट्रॉ एंड वुड. एंड पक्का हाउसेस आर मेड अप ऑफ bricks, cement, sand and steel. These types of kacha houses are temporary houses and they have the thatched roof, not a permanent roof. It can be broke very easily because they are not strong. The roofs also of these types of houses are not strong. It can be damaged very easily. The huts usually we are seeing in the villages are called the कच्चा houses. इस तरह के जो houses होते हैं स्पेशली वो villages में ही पाए जाते हैं. पक्का houses now. पक्का houses are strong and permanent houses. They are built with bricks, cement, iron and wood. Nowadays people in both villages and towns also build pakka houses because they can withstand the heat of sun, rain and wind. Like this pakka houses, they are very strong. They are made up of or built by bricks, cement, wood, iron bars or iron rods. But nowadays you can see children in the villages also and in the towns, they are also building the pakka houses like this. So these types of pakka houses protect us from rain, from heat, from dust, as I told you, animals also and the thieves also. A permanent house may be small house or a big house. People live in different types of houses according to their income. They may live in bungalow, apartment or rented house. People also make and live in temporary houses. These houses are made according to the condition of a particular place. Some of the temporary houses are discussed in detail now and we are going to see about it. This is a one of permanent house. They may small or they may big also. People live in different types of houses according to their income. As per their income, how they offered that type of houses they are borrowing or by the rent also they are living in it. They may live in bungalow, these types of bungalows or the apartments also nowadays are available, or in the apartment or in the bungalows they can live by giving the rent to the owner. People also make and live in temporary houses. These types of houses according to the condition of a particular place. Now these types of houses we are going to see now. First of all, in detail we are going to see or learn about the tents. We cannot find a place to stay near the sea or river or in the midst of the forest. People who go on camps or for a picnic to such places pitch the tent there. It is made up of canvas. It can be fixed and pulled down easily. Like these tents can be raised in the forests for a little time period, like as we are going for the picnic or the camps. Likewise, these types of canvases are available and they are made up of canvas and it can be fixed or pulled down easily. उसको जल्दी से जल्दी हम खड़ा भी कर सकते हैं और उतार भी सकते हैं. These were the tents and now we are going to learn about the stilt house. These houses stand on long poles of wood or steel. We enter the house through a ladder. These houses are made or mostly built with wood, bamboo, ropes, etc. They have sloping roofs. People built serge houses in areas where heavy rainfall is there. They are also built in the areas where floods often occur. These types of houses are built like this on the poles. The poles may be wooden or the steel also. These are called the stilt houses. We should go or enter in these types of houses through the ladder, सीढ़ी जिसे हम कहते हैं, सीढ़ी से ऊपर चढ़ते हैं. इन तरह के बैम्बूस पे या पोल्स पे इस तरह के घर बनाए जाते हैं. जहाँ पे हेवी रेनफॉल होता है ऐसी जगहों पर इस तरह के घर बनाए जाते हैं. Now, houseboats. In our country, we see houseboats in Kashmir and Kerala especially. They are built on the boats with wood. You can also live as well as sail in these types of boats. This is one kind of houseboats which can be found in the Kashmir. ये कश्मीर के हाउस बोट्स हैं. इसमें हम रह भी सकते हैं. इनसाइड इट part of the houseboat is looks like this, and these types of houses we can find in the Kerala also. These types of houses where we can live also or we can sail also. So caravans here. Caravans, these are houses on wheels. Can move from one place to another and it can be parked anywhere. चलता फिरता घर इसे हम कह सकते हैं. These types of caravans we can go anywhere and each and everything we can get inside only of this caravan. Now we are going to learn about these are the caravans, different kinds of caravans it is given here. Igloos. Eskimos in Alaska make houses of snow. Eskimos are people, those are living in Alaska. These houses are called igloos. These are dome shaped and have a tunnel like entrance. Like this. This is an igloo. This is the house of snow. स्नो से बनाया जाता है ये घर. जो अलास्का में रहते हैं जो एस्किमोज होते हैं और जो अलास्का में रहते हैं स्पेशली वो इस तरह के घर बनाते हैं. इट इज़ अ डोम शेप्ड, ऐसा राउंड शेप में होता है और उसके जाने के लिए, अंदर जाने के लिए और बाहर आने के लिए इस तरह के टनल बनाए जाते हैं फॉर द एंट्रेंस. Mud houses. These houses are seen in hot places. These are made from clay, sand, animal dung and straw. These materials make the house cool in summer. Especially these types of houses we can see wherever the atmosphere or the weather condition is very hot. These are made from the clay, sand and animal dung also. गाय के गोबर से, बुफेलो के गोबर से इस तरह के घरों को बनाया जाता है. This material like the cow dung and the sand and the clay mixture of this makes the house very cool in summer season especially. Children, I hope all of you understand this video. Thank you very much for watching it.